Midhiero mar dhugruok mag geche koda jopiny e chuny boma maduong' ma Nairobi nyalo bedo sigana ponono ni chenro mar kunyo apeyni mokalo e bwo lowo dhi chopo kare. E nyim komiti mar od bura mar Senate mochung' ne arita, Gavana ma Nairobi Johnson Sakaja ne oyango chenro mar kunyo apaya makalo e bwo lowo e chuny boma ma Nairobi kod alwora mage e nengo mar bilion 7.8 dola mag piny Amerka. Kaluwore gi Sakaja, kunyo apeyni makalo e bwo lowo kende e yo madhi tero piny Kenya e kind pinje mosedongore, kendo dhi miyo jopiny tiyo gi dakika 20 kende e donjo kendo wuok oko e chuny boma ma Nairobi ma ok seche 2. Paro makamano koro rito buch ten migepe mondo puodhe motelo ne kete e tim.
Is the ultimate solution for congestion. You've traveled the world. Many places where you go to, you wonder where are people, because you don't see them and you know the population of that place. But the people are on the underground, because you have the rail in the core areas, and as you move outside the core CBD, it comes up. I have friends who are even billionaires in New York, but they don't own a car, because they know that the public transport system will be on time, it is regular, it is convenient. We're going to turn Nairobi into a 20-minute city. A 20-minute city is where you can go from any point to another point in 20 minutes. And so phase 1 is Eastlands, Eastlands to CBD with an underground that goes to Westlands and Upper Hill. Phase 2 will include Ngong Road and Langata Road, because that is where you have a huge population coming from Langata Rungai and coming from Ngong. Because what we measure is the traffic per person, per hour, per direction, PPHD, to Singapore or First World, without sorting out mass transit in Nairobi.